intensity. So if you're going to increase your intensity, so imo lang na siya ni turn. Okay? So this is battery operated. You have your battery here.
Rechargeable.
Sa lower part, ma-recharge ni siya. And then you have several buttons here. So first, if you want to, di ba you have several types of tens? Can you name some? What are the different types of tens? You have your... What are the different types of tens, guys? Baka pala nag-discuss si Miss Tina.
Wala naman pa ng type sa tens.
Okay. So you have your brief intense tense. You have your basically you have at least mga 6 or 7. So you have hyperstimulation, you have conventional, you have burst, and you have modulation. Okay? So each of which nala siya different na frequency and different na pulse with iyang use. Okay? But all of them are for pain reduction, okay, for pain reduction. So if you're going to use the conventional type, okay, which is usually used sa rehab, you're going to place this portion here sa C. Okay? Kani siyang switch here sa C. If you're going to use the burst type of tens, you're going to place it sa B. And then if you're going to use the modulated type, you're going to switch that to M. Okay? So since you're going to use the conventional, so nana na siya sa C. Okay? And then you have here on your right, you have the pulse width, and then you have on your left the frequency, okay, that is in hertz, and then the pulse width is in microseconds. So basically for your conventional, you can use higher lower frequency. So usually we use higher frequencies sa rehab. Sakto, Miss Dins, no? Higher frequencies. So you have, let's use 100 kHz, and then you're going to set your pulse width. So basically if you are going to use higher frequencies, lower siya diri sa pulse width. If you are going to use lower frequencies, higher siya diri sa pulse width. Okay, so inversely proportional. So for example, 100 siya, so let's use mga 40. Okay na siya, 40 or 45. Okay? And then below, you have the time. So you have, that is in minutes. You have 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and you have C. C is for continuous. So for example, in between ang imuhang treatment time, between 30 and 60, okay, or more than 60. So you can switch that to C, then you will manually time, okay, your treatment. But if it would last for 30 minutes, so ari na lang ka sa 30. If it is for 1 hour, so you will have 60 minutes. Okay? And then, so before we proceed to your EMS, let us try first on a patient. So since you already know the proper placement of your electrodes sa inyong diadynamics, kaya diba diadynamics is more for pain reduction. So basically the same principle. So can I have volunteer PT and a volunteer patient?
Patient.
Oh, patient.